Jenny has worked very hard on this, so
Jenny's fabulous.
That looks amazing.
又要请几十个人来我们家里吃饭了，所以今天一大早你就睡醒开始忙。然后我们今天全部用烤的、炸的，不能做太精致，就是大份大份的那种。先做鱼还是不管是做肉，用啤酒泡它20分钟，可比用料酒去腥好太多太多了，所以给它泡20分钟。这个超受欢迎的烤排骨配方分享给大家，一定要烤一次，小孩都非常非常喜欢。就是两边把它抹上黑胡椒和盐，然后用这个锡纸把它包起来。放在烤箱里烤2个小时，小火啊，130度左右。排骨在烤的过程中呢，我们来处理这个脆皮五花肉。五花肉泡了20分钟之后呢，放上葱、姜、花椒、盐，就把它煮成这个样子就可以了。拿出来，皮上面插些孔孔，放进去烤。这个时候来调一个烤排骨的酱，这个烤肉酱加上蜂蜜就行了，很简单。把这个烤熟的排骨看一下，好，抹上这个酱。在180度烤10分钟就可以了。这个脆皮五花肉中间一定要刷油才可以，有烤箱就是方便肉烤好了。烤排骨不差于餐厅里的烤排骨，一定要试一下。今天着急温度开的有点高，我们平时170度这样烤，它慢慢的就特别漂亮。再给这一大盆的水煮牛肉浇个油，基本上我们的午餐就好了。这个盆真的超级大哈，视频中看不出来。哇
So it's like mini muffins in a...
Thank you. 哇！
That looks amazing.
Thank you so much. It's going to be an amazing year, so we're happy that you've joined us. And Jenny has worked very hard on this, so
Jenny's fabulous.
please help yourself. There's plates and...
Fabio, you need to try that one. I made that special for you. Yeah. All right.
There we go. Let's go. It's good.
Are you sure?
Hey,
You're gonna eat
we eat a
second
lot
round.
of stuff in Italy.
Oh, good. That means it's really good, right?
Yeah, it's like just normal punchy and stuff. The ones are super stable, and your portfolio is based on your it's really good to that 33% of the bond. As you go on less, you increase your bond. So by the time you're 60, close to retirement, you've got like 60% bond, then it's stable.
You really like it.
That's the theory anyway.
What's the problem with this thing?
Some people they don't like it.
Century egg. Food is excellent, Jenny. 很好吃。
谢谢，非常好。Did you eat that when you live in China before?
I did not eat this.
But you like it?
Oh yeah, I like it. This is my second round.
Oh, cool.
Fantastic.
I have to film you eat it for real. Okay. You gonna try some, Chris? Chris, you wanna try that? He been eating and you really like it. You're not pretending. For real?
I'm gonna have another one.
Oh, wow. So it's real, right? See? Go for it.
爸走了，你的爸爸走了，你的爸爸走了，你要去吗？你还是要跟爱丽丝姐姐玩？啊，跟姐姐玩，爸爸都不要了，这爸爸走了。哦，爸爸走了。谁给你穿袜子？谁给你穿的袜子？姐姐。他不想走嘞，你给我抱抱啊，抱抱！哎呦呦呦呦，抱抱！哎呀，不肯回家了。